On the browser page, type nuveq.cloud and hit Enter. Click Sign Up page. Insert partner code and password. Then click I'm not a robot and send request. Find your OTP at your email. Click Submit. Fill out your customer contact information. Click Next. Fill out customer company information. Click Find on Map. Type company name. Select company name. Click Next. Click Accept. Try log in the account using customer email and password. Click Submit. The OTP code will send a customer email. Click Submit. Nuveq User Portal is now accessed.